Hey everybody, meet Brandon here. It's summertime. If you're working on your yard, weed eating, and you're frustrated, this is what you want. It is awesome. Tell me honestly how much time you waste trying to get these dumb things in there. Getting, I don't know, 10 feet, 12 feet, whatever it is. Links in the description. This whole bad boy's in the description. It's the Ego. There you go. I don't even know what it's called. There you go, if you want to look at that. Pause it, take a look. This thing is awesome. Highly recommend it. What did that take? 10 seconds? And you're ready to rock. So that's why, like, they sell the full strings if you want to do that, but these are nice because these last, I don't know, like a month if you're just doing normal yard work. So anyway, hit subscribe, hit thumbs up if you like these videos. Sorry I wasn't looking at the camera. Thanks for watching all my videos. I'll see you in the next one.